In this video, I will compare Tella and any standard screen recording tool to help you decide which one fits your workflow best. Tella is gaining massive popularity because it combines high-quality screen capture with beautiful layouts and instant editing tools. With Tella, you can record your screen and camera simultaneously and then instantly swap between different views or add smooth backgrounds. A major pro for Tella is its focus on presentation. It makes your demos look like professional productions without requiring any design skills. On the flip side, some free tools are better if you just need a quick clip to share with a teammate. Tella is really designed for creators and sales teams who need a polished, finished product. While certain tools offer more advanced color grading, Tella focuses on speed and simplicity. If you want to save time and look great, Tella is the clear winner here. Take a look at these features and see which style works for your next project today.